Okay, we start first. Don't wait. All right. Otherwise, later you say no time, no time. Or then you say, sure, you always say no time, no time. Then we always wait for people to come in. I didn't promise, Chetan. Don't trick me, naughty, I try, I say I didn't promise. Okay. Sometimes my students all very smart. I try to like swindle me. Oh, Shreya, correct. Shreya, I mark this already. Okay, I share screen with you first. You'll be seeing my PowerPoint. I don't have new students, so today I don't have to spend time, don't have to spend time doing the intro. Okay. Yeah. So close. She didn't naughty. Okay. My name is Susan. Changing my, I always forget to change my name. If anyone remember, can always help me to, right? Okay. All right. So let's come to this. Kelson stack volume. We are now talking about volume already. 10 units of cubes. Glue them together, form the solid, and which one refers to the top view? Top view means you have this one here. Okay. Top view means one here, one here, one here, and the other one there. So 4 of them. Okay. But then in front, you got 2. So it is something like which one? Give me a minute. Our students, Priya and Astria. Priya. Astria. Okay, once you come in, remember to change your name, Jia Yuan. Okay, Yuan Jia, sorry, Yuan Jia. Okay, welcome everyone. Yeah, okay. Let that be. Most of them. Okay. So this one is stacking up 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be, look at the front view. Front view is there. Then top view, it will be like this. Okay. Going up, then 2. So which one is your option? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1. Which one is your option? Question number? Option number? Who can tell me the answer? 3. Okay, good. So this is the one because of the top view, because this is in front. Okay, next one. Melinda builds the solid using 8 and find the greatest number that he can do. He can add to the solid without changing the front view, without changing the side view. What's your answer, class? 4. How you get 4? Because, okay, there is one here on top, then another one here on top. Okay, this one you don't even need, right? Because it's already, this one is giving you the view. So now the thing is you have to top up from here in order for you to have this so-called the tower. So in all you will need only 4. Only people who are interested in Kahoot, they respond very fast. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Tommy. Okay, everyone, come on. Yeah. Okay. Let me check. Joseph, I want everyone to on. Turn on all cameras. Priya also. Astra, do you have your camera on? Yeah. Yes. 2 for each side. Yes, correct. Top up from here. Okay. Next question. Let's do this. What must be added to form the side 8? So that means to find the thing, you must have 8 times 8 times 8. Total number of cubes. Okay. So total number of cubes will be 8 times 8 times 8. That will give you 512. But then you got this so-called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 here in the tower. I'm going by tower. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 4 and this is 2. So here in total, you will be 5 plus 5, 10. Here, 7. Here, 7. Here, 6. So all in all will be 14, 20. Here will be 30. Very good. Thank you, Gillen. So 512 minus 30, that will give you 482 left to have it. Okay. All right. Charlotte is here. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Sharia. Good, good. Yeah, Jaden, thanks. I saw yours. The rest of them, only few still, not enough. Come on, if you want Kahoot game, please work together as a class. Otherwise, there's a delay. The figure is not drawn to scale, 123. And these are the cubes, which is 3 by 3 by 3. That is what they are trying to tell you. And there are how many cubes are there? This is the number of cubes. And then they want to place onto this rectangular tank. This base area is 29 by 15. So you can see that this one, each one is 3, right? So if you each one here have 3, what can you say? Are you going to fit everything? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 23, 27. So there's still wastage here. This is only 2. So not enough, right? But then you cannot squeeze in, ma. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 only. So it can fit until 27 cm, which is how many here? 9 cubes. Then from here, you can have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So I have 5 cubes here. So meaning to say, when this is the first layer, bottom, I call this first layer, I will have 45 cubes here. Do you know how I get my 45 cubes? I just have to cut it into this like that. Okay. Then after that, I would have like that. Then I would have, okay, in fact, it's like that lah. Okay, so like that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I also untidy. Okay. So properly, I would have like that. 3, 6, 9, 12. So meaning to say, I would have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and here I have 9 of them. Okay, so all in all, I would have 45 in the bottom layer. But then he has only 123. So if I have a second layer, okay, this is the first layer, then this is the second layer. My second layer can only fit about 45. So if for my third layer, will it fit all? No, it will not fit all. How many left? So very simple. You have 45 and 45. You will get 90 in the 2 layer. You use 123 to minus 90, okay? Then you will get to 43 left, is it? Something like that, okay? So you have 9 remainder 2, yeah, something like that, okay? Yeah, all right. The question is quite okay, it's not vague because layer by with a base. He used the cube place layer by layer. Careful. It's not that I read wrongly. You must interpret correctly lah. Place place. How many are placed layer by layer? That means all the layer you have 123 law. Understand or not? Okay, so must be very careful. You must read between the words, Sharia. Yeah, I know, I understand. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Jaden. Wow, a lot of response. Thank you. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, why 33 leh, Joseph? Why you say 33? For which one? Oh, this one. Okay, I'm still doing. Sorry, I'm still doing. Because someone asked question. So 123. Wait, 45, 45, I minus 1, 2, 3, I should get 33 only. Get back to pen, I get 33 only. Okay, so the third layer, I have 33 cubes with me, right? So all in all, what is the tallest height? You can find that after stack. So it will not be full, it doesn't matter. But you know that total, there must be 3 layers the most of the height because some has already occupied that. Okay, so total 3 layer, each layer is 3 cm, so 3, 3, 3. So 3 layers, 3 centimeter times 3, that will give you 9 centimeters. Okay, I hope the explanation is okay. Okay, let's check. Verna is here. Verna, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 is not. Jaden Joseph. Sorry, Priya, what is your registered name? Because I cannot find your registered name, Priya. Yeah, can you help me to change? And then on all videos, Charlotte also, please. Priya, Charlotte, Astra. We have spoken last week already, right? Yeah. Okay, next question. All right, question 5. Question 5. What is the minimum that can be added to form a bigger cube? So you wanted a cube, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5 by 5 sided lah. Means 5 by 5 by 5, you get 1, 2, 5. However, you must know how many are. We go by power. So this is 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, and this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So total will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what I need to do is to minus away my existing 16 of them. That will give me 109 cubes to be built from there. Yeah, thank you. Only 2 responded so far. 3, 4, 4. Okay. Sapriya. Let me check your name, Sapriya. Give me a minute. I need to toggle. Okay, Sapriya. Okay. Can. So if I don't see your name here, I cannot mark attendance. Okay, next one. Okay. So 109 cubes must be needed for that. Okay, now coming to here. The figure shows an empty water tank made from 3 containers. Okay, I think I will need more space here. So just bear with me. I need to shift this. Okay, allow me to do this. The figure shows the empty tank. Okay. Okay. Empty tank made from 3 containers. 2 containers A, B have a top in the form of cuboid, which is a square base of 9 and 9. Bases of 9 and 9 is meant for A and B, at the 9 and 4. So what are they trying to tell you is they have this so-called, this is 9 by 9 by 9. So this is 9, 9. And the other side will be 4, and the length is 4. Okay, square base. That's what they meant here. Okay. The bottom container is a form of cube. Is a cube means what? Cube means for 3 sides equal. So with a 3 sides equal, you have 14 by 14 by 14. So you have 14, 14, and the height is also 14 cm. So much of the water is poured into the empty tank. You are supposed to find the height of the water level from the base of the tank. That's what they are asking for. So let's check out, will this be able to fill up the volume of the cube or not? So let's do this. 2,338. I'm going to change it to ml. So I must fill up the base tank first. So the base tank is the one that is below, which is 14 by 14 by 14. Okay, so this is the tank below. All right. I should say volume of base tank lah. So I put base B. So this volume will be 14 times. How much is 14, 14, 14? Come on, come on. 7 messages. Oh, thank you for having this. How you get 16? I don't want 16 lah. Help me with the calculation, please. 2744. Thank you, Miko. You're so fast. Yeah, that helps. So meaning to say, this is the volume for A and volume of B water. Okay, that can be filled up. So that means the remaining